Today we got a video from Police Release, and the title of the video is Walmart Shoplifter Gets Shut Down by the Best No-Nonsense Cop Ever.
So this is what we're doing, Nicole. You're going to the hospital and then you're going to go to jail because I think this is a show. I think you're lying to me.
On April 20th, 2025, officers were dispatched to Walmart in response to a reported shoplifting incident.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, my name's Corporal Tilford. What are we doing here today?
Well, I was purchasing the things and I guess I scanned the wrong items.
Okay.
A few of the wrong items.
Okay. My job here is just to. Do you have? Oh, they're one of some of them are trading, so they're just watching. Was your fingers okay?
No, I have my immediately, and I need to I have a doctor's appointment tomorrow.
Yeah, because they're really swollen.
I know. Look how red my hands are too.
Sure enough. And you don't have any physical ID on you?
No, I
That's
don't.
what my job here. My job here is just to identify you, and then that's it. It's good enough.
Yeah.
I use a fingerprint scanner. It's painless. Are you diabetic or anything? Have anything wrong with your fingers?
I am diabetic.
Okay. Do you poke? Which finger do you poke?
I don't poke them.
Oh, good enough. Okay. So I'll show you on this, and basically I'm just going to check your ID. I'm going to identify you. They're going to probably issue a trespass. Anything related to prosecution or any type of criminal, they'll probably handle because we weren't involved in that. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
I mean, we could try to get your name. Could you write down her name? We're going to write down the name that I'm just going to ask you your name basically before we start.
Yeah.
What is it?
Brianna.
Brianna, how do I spell that, Brianna?
Brionna.
What's your date of birth?
8/13/91.
8/13/91?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
9-1?
Yes, sir.
And what state is your ID out of?
Actually don't have an ID.
Have you ever gotten any ID ever?
No.
How would you
I don't leave my house much.
That's probably why we don't have an ID. So I'll show you how this works, and we'll try your fingers here. It's kind of a cool little technology. Welcome to the future. Can I see your right finger?
I feel like I'm gonna, sir. I feel like I'm gonna.
Oh, do you need medical? Hold on. Do you want medical attention?
Yes, please.
Yeah. Could you call fire for an eval? Yeah. Do you want to sit? You want to sit back? So tell her. I'm just here. Can you breathe for me? You got some water. Okay. Is this something normal for you?
No, it's been getting worse and worse.
How old are you?
I'm 33.
33? Okay. Okay. I'm going to have medics come out and take a look at you, okay? Do you want to sit down on the ground? Do you want to sit on the ground? Or do you want to sit back on this? You want to lay down? You want to lay down on your side over here? I'm just preventing you from falling down. What do you want to do? Where does it hurt?
My hurt.
Okay, just breathe. Yeah, just breathe. You want to sit down on the ground? Let's go ahead and escort her to the ground and sit back over here.
Hey man, let's take your purse off just to make you more comfortable, okay?
There we go. Yeah, we're cool.
I'm not gonna take it from you. I'm not gonna look through it. Let's just go ahead and move it over here, okay? I don't care about your purse.
I'm gonna sit with you, but I'm still gonna check your fingers, which makes it feel like we have a warrant. Do you have seizures? We're just gonna hold you here. Just don't. I'm just gonna.
That's the worst seizure act I've ever seen. Like, I've seen people have seizures before, right? But here's the thing, right? Everything is all fine and dandy until the machine gets close to her, right? So he goes, the first time they ask the name, right? Then he says, okay, well, I'm a fingerprint J. And he got the machine and he brings it close to her. Right? He puts the machine down. She kind of, all right, goes to the floor. She holding onto that bag for dear life. He says, all right, well, I'm still going to fingerprint you. Whoa. Come on, man. Listen, anybody with a brain can see that you full of shit, man.
Here with you until medics get here. Do you have a warrant? No, or anything like that? Okay, but I still have to ID you, so we're gonna sit here with you until medics get here. Okay? You want to go on your side? Can you go on your side? I'm gonna put you on your side. I'm gonna put you on your side.
I'm gonna put you in the recovery position, ma'am, okay?
I need to see your hands.
Go ahead and turn sideways.
I need to see your hands.
Now relax.
Relax. Take a breath. Take a breath.
This is the recovery position so you can breathe, okay? You gotta keep your lungs open.
You're making me really nervous that you're not letting me have your fingers, which makes me which makes me think that you have a warrant and you're preventing this from happening.
No.
So I need to see your ID. I need to fingerprint you. Right? No, it's not. I need to fingerprint you.
This is starting to be resistance and not a medical emergency, okay?
It's the fact that I wanted to print you, and this happened, I'm a little nervous that you're preventing me from not IDing you. So guess what? You can lay here fine. I'll just need to see your finger. Medics are going to need to know your medical history. Can I see your finger?
Please.
Then we'll go to the other side. Corporal Tilford, clear no record. I'm going to get your ID. Okay, they need to know who you are. No, it's not. I'm getting medical attention.
Full of shit. Everybody know that.
I'll just wait until you're on a green and I'll take it then. Okay, can I take a look at your fingerprints while you're here? I need to know who you are. Okay,
Stop touching me.
I need to see your fingerprints.
Okay.
Can I just take? I need to know who you are for
I'm
medical.
literally laying on the ground.
But you literally started that the moment I talked about your ID.
Oh my god, stop! Oh my god, stop!
You don't have to resist. Don't use me. Just stop. I need to know who you are. Can I please see your finger? Why are you preventing me from doing this? Okay, just like that. Fine, we'll just ID her when she's strapped to a gurney. Why are you preventing me from IDing you? What's the name she gave? Brianna. Brianna, why are you preventing me from IDing you? Why are you stopping me from taking your fingerprints? Okay, well, you're okay now, so we're just going to sit here and wait for you. Prevent her from doing that. We're still going to get it when she's on her gurney.
Quick frisk on her already?
I mean, it's either A, completely, absolutely, or I'm really surprised that the moment we started doing ID, this is happening, and you're preventing me from looking at your fingerprints. So after we'll follow her down to the hospital. ID her down to the hospital.
Hey, ma'am, since you're having trouble with your hands, do you mind if I pull your ID out of your wallet?
No.
Oh, okay.
Well, I'm gonna follow you to the hospital, and I'll fingerprint you down there. Okay?
Her eyes got real big. She's like, yeah, do you mind if I pull your ID out of your wallet? No! This is so fake and phony, man. This is bad. This is really bad acting. This is like one of them straight. You remember when we had the DVDs, and some movies would go to the movie theater. You know what I'm saying? And then your low budget type films or whatever go straight to DVD. These is one of them straight to DVD joints. Facts. Bad acting.
I just don't know. This right here isn't seizure resistance. It's on purpose resistance. At this point.
Yeah, I've never seen a seizure like that.
My family has epilepsy and my family has seizures, and you'll be okay. So we're just gonna stop. You're just gonna ride it out, and we're gonna prevent you from slamming your head on the ground. Okay? Well, the main thing is not to swallow your tongue and to be exactly where you're at. Are you overdosing on drugs? No. Do you need Narcan?
No.
Got some in my pouch
Can
right
I
here.
to help you with medical? The fire department is going to need to know who you are. Can I verify with your fingerprints?
Or your ID.
Or your ID? Can I take a look at your ID? Brianna, why can't I find out who you are? Brianna, I'm about 80% sure this is real, but about 20% believing that you're making a show. If breathing changes or anything like that, we'll do CPR. But for now, there's nothing you can do at this point for a seizure to prevent her from slamming into anything. The fact that she's so resistant on her fingers, which is weird, but I'm not going to force. I am not able to force because it's not necessity. This was just a courtesy for them. So they'll go with the information that we have. If we can't identify, we can't identify.
Hello. I've never seen a seizure like this. She's refusing to give us her ID or fingerprint her. We're dealing with that, but at the same time, obviously, we're gonna treat this like it could be real. We just don't know.
Brianna, what's going on?
Brianna, you gotta talk to us.
I just don't know. Obviously, you take priority over me at this point. I'll do everything I can with identifying her, but I'm about 80% believing that this is real and about 20% not. Because how we're in the process of you seizing and causing this much pain, are you able to prevent me from grabbing your hand?
Seize, no, it's not.
You would just be seizing, and I would be able to at least grab a finger.
Yeah.
Okay.
When you're seizing, you lose control of your body.
So she's not seizing, otherwise she would have loose control.
Correct.
Yeah, and I would have been it. So, but she's very strong and holding her arm against me, where two of my arms can't even do it. Nicole, You're Nicole. All right, Nicole. The fact that I'm going to ID you is I'm going to ID you through this, okay? It's important that we do it. Okay, I believe that you're doing this because you don't want me to know who you are, so I'm going to find out who you are. Okay, I'll take a picture and put it back. That's fine, I'll put it back, but I'm still going to ID you. I believe this has everything to do with you not wanting me to know who you are, Nicole. You also gave me a fake name, so if I find that you don't go to the hospital, I'm going to take you to jail for lying to me. So either you give me a real name, or we're going to go to jail. Looks like you at the Players Club at the Muckleshoot. So she's Nicole. Well, you're not a Brianna at all, Nicole. If you're having a medical emergency, you shouldn't be worried about me. Nicole, I'm here to identify who you are, because now I believe that you're lying to me. So now I'm investigating obstruction. Hey, if you're having a medical, then let me print you and let's take care of this. Can I print you real fast and fix this? Let me print you and we'll call it a good. But if you're having a medical emergency, you shouldn't be worried about me at all. Well, Nicole, I already have probable cause for your arrest because you just gave me a false name. So if you want to go that route, we can go that route. $7,500 warrant. Ah, now we know why. More guy down here. One more person, please. Okay, go help them real fast. Yeah. Hey, Nicole, you have a $7,500 warrant. And now we know why this is happening. But now you're going strapped down because now we're forcing you to go to the hospital. Don't worry about it, Nicole. I don't need your fingers anymore. I identified who you were. How's it going, Mr. Bailey? As soon as I tried to fingerprint her, she had a seizure, and then we found out she has a $7,500 warrant. Well. But now I'm deciding if she's playing this game and causing this level of resistance on this, I'm thinking of charging her for false statement. So this is what we're doing, Nicole. You're going to the hospital, and then you're going to go to jail because I think this is the show. I think you're lying to me, and I think that that you did this because you didn't want me to know you were Nicole. Yeah. Oh, okay. Nicole, we're going to do this as an involuntary committal. But I'm also going to charge you for giving me a false name because you lied to me. Okay? So when we get over here, I'm going to still take your fingerprint. Nicole, I'm going to be straight with you. Nicole, I'm going to be straight with you. Look at me nice. I promise you I will take you to jail unless you stop. I promise you. I work until 7 a.m. and I will wait for you at the St. Francis. You need to stop and you need to tell us what's going on. You have a... Okay, why did you lie to me about your name? Yes, you did. You said your name was Brianna and your name is Nicole. Medic doesn't really have a diagnosis for you. Open your eyes. Open your eyes. Okay, that's fine, and we'll follow you there. Open your eyes so you can look. There you are. That's you, right? That's not you? No, that absolutely is you, Nicole. Okay. Very good. All right, well, guess what? We don't need your fingerprints anyway. So now we know who you are. But I'm going to follow you to the hospital because now I'm opening an obstructing investigation and providing a false name investigation. I don't play games. And I believe this is a game.
Why would I play games?
Because if you're hiring a medical emergency, you wouldn't be worried about your fingerprint. You gave me a false name. She's all yours. We'll follow you there. Yep, we're not leaving until she goes to jail tonight. Good job, Nicole. You really worked for this one.
The officer kept his promise.
We're forwarding charges on you.
I know you are.
Okay, because that was ridiculous.
No, it is.
Okay, so also he's got to read you your rights.
Why would you?
We're gonna talk about your warrants.
Okay.
And how you lied to us about your name. But dang girl, look what drugs did.
Shut up, you're hella rude. You're fucking...
Hey, Nicole, listen up. I'm Officer Kerrigan, all right?
You're rude.
You're being...
Fuck you.
Nicole, listen.
That was rude.
Okay.
That was rude.
Hey, look, you're talking to me now, right?
But it was just rude.
You're talking to me right now, right? You're on body cam right now, okay? I'm going to read your rights. We have probable cause for you obstructing justice and giving a false statement to police.
Okay.
The woman was charged with shoplifting, providing false information to an officer, and obstruction, and was booked on a hit-and-run warrant.
Wow, a hit-and-run warrant. Yeah. Pretty much all that was that officer pretty much said, I got time today. You want to play games? I got time today. You know, we going to follow you all the way to the jail and wait for you to get released, and we going to take you in. You know, that's pretty much what he's saying. We got time today. And he said, I work until 7 in the morning. I could waste my time with you tonight. Okay. But yeah, so anyway, I ain't never seen no seizure like that. Seizure, and but all of a sudden she has a lot of strength to not let her finger get loose. She could hold it. She could turn and clench up, and you know what type of seizure that was. But anyway, I think the cops did a pretty good job, man. I'm gonna give them 5 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.